Good morning, everyone. Once again, I'm here with you, and today I am with the questions of the exercise D and E of chapter 2. So, today I am going to give you the question answer of chapter D and E. Okay, so everyone will listen carefully and will note down in your notebook. Okay, now come to the question number exercise D, that is the answer the following questions. Okay, and the question 1 of the exercise D is the name the two different types of the root. So what will you write? You will write the tap root and fibrous root. These are the two different types of the roots. Tap, T-A-P, tap, R-O-O-T, root. Tap root, number A. Number B, fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous, F-I-B-R-O-U-S, fibrous, R-O-O-T, root. Okay, so you will write the answer of these two type of roots. Okay, now the second question is give two examples of a plant. Give two examples of plants having fibrous roots. So you have to write the two examples of the plant having fibrous root, and they are number A, grass, and number B, banana. Number A, grass, G-R-A-S-S, grass, and number B, banana, B-A-N-A-N-A. Okay, now come to the question number 3. Question number 3 is the why do aerial roots need to come out of the soil? Why? So you will write the answer. Aerial roots need to come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Okay, aerial spelling A-E-R-I-A-L, aerial. Okay, atmosphere, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, A-T-M-O-S-P-H-E-R-E, atmosphere. Don't get confused with the spelling, because I have seen lots of mistakes are there in your homework copy. Okay, so you will write correctly. Aerial roots need to come out of the soil to get fresh air from the atmosphere. Okay, now move to the these are the questions of the exercise D, and I have given you all the answers of the question 1, 2, 3. Okay, now move to the question E of the exercise E, and the questions are there. 4 questions are there of the chapter plant. See, number 4E. Number 1 is the draw the shape of the tap root and the fibrous root. Then what will you draw? You will draw the shape of the tap root and fibrous root. I am going to show you here. So see this. See, I am going to show you how. Then here, what will you do? You will draw the tap root and fibrous root. Okay, you will draw tap root and fibrous root, that I am going to show you. This is not here. I think not here. Sorry. Tap root and fibrous root. This is here. So this. See this. I'm showing you the diagram. See this. Tap root. Here one main root. Okay, and the many branches are there from that main root. Okay, and in the fibrous, see all the roots are arising from the stem of the plant. So you will draw this diagram. I hope you all can draw. Okay, so draw neatly. In your book this diagram is there, so you will see that diagram. Okay, so draw the shape of the tap root and fibrous root. You will draw that diagram. Number 2 is the in what ways is the tap root different from the fibrous root? So what will you write the answer? Tap root is a single long root with thin roots arising from it, while fibrous roots are those in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. Going to repeat it again. Tap root is a single long root with thin roots arising from it, while fibrous roots are those in which many roots arise from the base of the stem. Okay, so you will write the answer of this. Now the third question is the state the two main functions of the root. So you will write the two main functions of the roots are, number one is the absorption, the second one is the fixation. So see this, the spelling matters, so you will write the spelling correctly. Absorption, that means see, to absorb the water and minerals from the roots, okay, from the soil, and it is done by the root of the plant. Now see, absorption, A B S O R P T I O N, absorption. I am again going to repeat this word, A B S O R P T I O N, absorption. The second word is the fixation, F I X A T I O N, fixation. F as in see, you have to pronounce this word also, fixation, F I X A T I O N. Okay, so these are the words, two words you have to learn, and these are the main function. These are the words you can write for the main function of the root. Okay, so two main functions are, number one is the absorption and second is the fixation. Now come to the question number 4. What way are the roots of banyan tree and maize special? You will write the roots of banyan tree and maize provide extra support to the plant. Okay, what they provide extra support to the plant. The roots of the banyan tree and the maize provide extra support to the plant. I hope you all understand. I hope no problem at all, and you could write the answers of the questions of the exercise E and D of the chapter 4. I hope so. So we will learn and write in your notebook. That's all. Thank you.